One of the things I like most about working in this industry is that there are so many different career paths you can take depending on your interests and experience. As you progress through this and the other courses in the program, you'll learn about lots of different skill sets that are in high demand. But even if you're totally new to the industry, chances are that you already have some skills and experiences that will help you succeed. In this video, we'll explore a few skills and qualities that can set you up for success in digital marketing and e-commerce. Curiosity, an analytical mindset, and storytelling. You don't have to be an expert in every single one. Remember, there are many different types of jobs in this industry, but I'm willing to bet that you have at least some experience with all of them. First, curiosity. People who are curious ask questions, seek out answers, and try new things. Some people are naturally curious, but it's also a skill you can build, and that can be important for working in this industry. That's because a big part of digital marketing and e-commerce is being curious about people, what they want, how they think, and what motivates them to take action. Curiosity is also important because the industry can change so quickly. So, exploring and keeping up with emerging trends will help you succeed as it continues to grow and evolve. Taking this course is a great example of curiosity. The fact that you're here means you're curious about working in digital marketing and e-commerce, and that you're actively seeking out answers. Being curious and asking questions isn't the only useful skill. Using an analytical mindset to solve problems can be a big help too. Digital marketers and e-commerce specialists use analytical thinking all the time. That doesn't mean we're all data scientists. I know I'm not. But we do collect and organize information to spot patterns, uncover trends, and solve problems. Having an analytical mindset isn't about technical skills. It's a way of thinking. If you ever made a big decision, like planning a trip or buying a car, you've probably practiced analytical thinking. If you compared things like cost, size, features, and safety ratings and picked a car based on which of those things were most important to you, that's analytical thinking. Most of us analyze situations without even realizing it. If you like solving puzzles and brain teasers, you're analyzing them to find solutions. Being a sports fan is another great example. Tracking statistics to know how your favorite teams are doing and predict how they might do in the future is similar to how digital marketers gain insights from data. Once you've analyzed data for insights, you need to be able to communicate them effectively to an audience. One of the ways we do that is through data storytelling. We use stories to turn dry numbers and statistics into engaging presentations and reports. Digital marketing and e-commerce specialists use data storytelling to share insights with clients and coworkers all the time. But it also helps businesses communicate value to customers in a way that's accessible, engaging, and most importantly, memorable. Stories allow them to connect with customers and set themselves apart from the competition. Everybody tells stories. Whether you've kept a blog or you're just really good at telling jokes, we all tell stories in our daily lives. And not all storytelling is verbal. Digital marketing and e-commerce use visual storytelling too. So if you have experience with drawing, design, or photography, you have the skills to create visual narratives for digital marketing campaigns. You'll learn more about some of the ways digital marketing and e-commerce specialists use storytelling later in this course. These are just a few examples of skills that can help you progress your career. There are many others, like adaptability or leadership. One skill I had before becoming a marketer that has really helped me is creativity. Sometimes you need to figure out how to set yourself apart from competitors. It's up to marketers to highlight a brand's unique qualities and get customers' attention in creative ways. As you learn more about the different roles and responsibilities in digital marketing and e-commerce, I hope you'll think of other ways you can bring your skills and experiences to the table. By considering your strengths as you go through the program, you'll be better equipped to convey them to potential employers. The industry will change and grow as new technologies develop, and you may need to learn new software or technologies. But with transferable skills like curiosity, an analytical mindset, and storytelling, you'll be sure to grow along with it. Coming up, you'll find out about some more specialized skills you might need and that this program will help you develop.